Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well today, and I'm coming to you guys with an unboxing video. Okay, we already know it's springtime. I have bought quite a few slides and shoes for this spring and summer, and I definitely want to go ahead and come and show you guys what I've gotten. So before we get started, I will be linking everything in the description bar if I can find links. And also, if you do like these kind of videos, you know, luxury talk, luxury unboxings, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Both of the purchases that I'm going to be showing you guys are going to be from Gucci. I do have some Gucci slides, and then I also have some Gucci sandals. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is the slides, and these are from the Ken Scott collection. They did come out this year, I believe. So we all know Gucci does have this new packaging now. These beautiful green boxes. So this is how they came. I haven't worn these yet, but yeah, I'm definitely going to be wearing them soon. They came in these bags right here. You get a bag each for each of the shoes. Okay, so these are the slides right here. Super gorgeous. So let me go ahead and get up close so that you guys can see the details of these. As you see, they have Ken Scott's name right here in the yellow, and then they have the Gucci there on the side, and they do have the two GGs there in the middle. These are so beautiful. I mean, I don't know if you've never had any Gucci slides before, you know that Gucci slides are very comfortable. I've heard some people say that they're not comfortable, but to me, Gucci slides are some of the most comfortable slides that I've ever had, all right? I did initially try to get these when I went to the Gucci store in Las Vegas, but they were sold out. This area right here has some really nice padding so that it's going to be pretty comfortable for your foot. I will put the price of these on the screen. I don't remember how much I paid. I think it was like 300 something. I don't quite remember. But yeah, they're very comfortable, very nice. You can wear them with all types of colors. So yeah, definitely go ahead and check these out. Like I said, I'll link them in the description bar for you. I have known them to be sold out, but maybe you might come across them and they may end up being available. So definitely go ahead and check these out. Okay, so next up, like I said, I do have some sandals, and I got these from Nordstrom.com, and these were $520. I will put the name of these on the screen for you. So these are the sandals right here, and these are absolutely beautiful. I was trying to choose between these and some other ones that had black at the bottom, which I've seen, you know, and I've seen for many years, but I chose these because I just really love the details. Also love how these have silver and gold hardware on them. So, you know, I like that. I think that that was a nice touch. I like how it's brown, and I also like how they have the GGs at the bottom. It looks really nice. Here's the bottom of these. I mean, just like I said, the details on these are absolutely beautiful. I have tried these on, and I did find them to be a little bit hard, but I don't know if it's going to be something that over time would be, you know, annoying or whatever the case may be. I'm not sure. So for that reason, I'm not 100% sure if I'm keeping these. You know, they can go with a lot of things, including jeans or, you know, a dress or whatever the case may be. But I just don't know if the hardness of them is something that over time, you know, you will get tired of or whatever the case may be. So I'm not quite sure about that. I haven't worn these out yet. I've only tried them on and had them on in the house, okay? So yeah, I just want to go ahead and come to you guys and show you guys my current Gucci summer shoes. Now, if you guys want to see my Coach shoes, I have quite a few of those for the summer as well. So you guys already know, if you have any questions or any comments, you can leave those below. Again, like I said, I will link some links in the description bar for you guys to go ahead and check those out if you're interested in making a purchase. And you guys already know I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.